How to work with x-dream.events platform.
Hello everyone! I would like to tell you how to use our online platform x-dream.events, where we host all of our online events.
How can I register for the event?
Go to the top right corner of the website x-dream.events and click on the button Register Now. Simply fill in the registration form and submit it. The next step is to confirm your email address in your mailbox. After the confirmation, you are successfully registered for the event.
Where can I find the program of the event?
The event program you can find on the main panel of the homepage. Just click on Program and you will be able to see all sessions.
Can I manage my personal program?
After the registration, you will be able to add the sessions you are interested in to My Program. You can also book product demos or meetings with the people that are listed in the People section.
What are Auditorium, Coffee Bar and Product Demo?
In the Program section on the website, you can see our agenda. It consists of 3 different flows. The Auditorium is a virtual space where you can watch all live stream interviews and panel talks with our industry experts. The Coffee Bar is a networking area where you can ask questions to the speakers after their Auditorium talks. You can also take part in user group meetings. The Product Demo Room is a virtual space where you can watch live demos of our vendor partner software.
How can I join live talks in the Auditorium or the Coffee Bar?
There are 2 options to join the live streams. You can either click on Program and then Watch Live Stream, or you click on Home and then Enter Auditorium.
What should I do if I'm lost and don't know what to do?
No worries, just go to the homepage and click on Join Reception. Our event receptionist will be happy to help and answer all of your questions. We are really looking forward to welcoming you at our virtual event. Don't forget to register.